Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Antigravity login bug on the desktop app. So if you open the Google Antigravity app on your computer, but it does not let you sign in, keeps loading, sends you back to the login screen, or shows a blank page, this guide will help you fix it step by step. This problem can happen for a few simple reasons. The app may not load your Google account correctly, your internet may be unstable, the app may be stuck in the background, or the app may need to be restarted or updated. Step 1. Close the app and open it again. The first thing you should do is close the Google Antigravity app completely. Do not just press the X button and leave it running in the background. Make sure the app is fully closed. On Windows, check the bottom right side of your screen near the small arrow icon. If you still see the app there, right-click it and close it. On Mac, right-click the app icon in the dock and choose Quit. After that, open Google Antigravity again and try to sign in one more time. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Next, make sure your internet is working. Open your browser and visit a normal website like Google or YouTube. If the website is slow or does not open, then your internet may be the problem. Turn your Wi-Fi off and on again. You can also restart your router if needed. After your internet is working properly, open the Google Antigravity desktop app again and try to log in. Step 3. Restart your computer. If closing the app did not fix it, restart your computer. This is a simple step, but it can fix many small app problems. Sometimes the app gets stuck in the background even when it looks closed. So save your work first, close all open apps, and restart your computer. Once your computer turns back on, open Google Antigravity again and try signing in. Now, check if you are signing in with the right Google account. When the login window opens, make sure you choose the correct account. If you have more than one Google account, pick the one you want to use with Google Antigravity. If the wrong account keeps opening, sign out from that account in your browser first. Then go back to the desktop app and try logging in again. This can help if the app keeps choosing the wrong account by itself. Next, make sure your Google Antigravity desktop app is updated. Open the app and look for an update option in the menu or settings. If there is an update available, install it. If the app does not open properly, go to the place where you downloaded the app and download the latest version again. After updating, open the app and try logging in again. If nothing else works, uninstall Google Antigravity from your computer. After uninstalling it, restart your computer. Then download and install the app again. And that is how you can fix the Google Antigravity login bug on the desktop app. Start with the easy steps first. Close the app, check your internet, restart your computer, and make sure you are using the right Google account. Then try opening your browser first, changing your default browser, turning off your VPN, updating the app, clearing app data, or reinstalling the app. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.